All right, what's going on everybody? Adam, Hill Vending. In this video, we're gonna talk about what it means labeled for resale. If you guys have vending machines or interested in the vending business, hillvending.com/start. There's a free webinar. You guys can get access to that down below. But let's get into this video. And what we're talking about is labeled for resale. So if you want to sell products through vending machines, you may or may not have heard that it has to have that labeling on it. It needs to be labeled for resale. So what does that mean? And how do you know what to look for? We're gonna go over that right now. So I have a few different examples. These are some M&M cookies, deluxe. Cool, they've got a label on here. They've got a date, expiration date. They've got nutritional facts on the back, ingredients, everything. Same for this bag of chips, right? These are labeled for resale. So what does it mean if it's not labeled for resale? And the reason we're making this video is because we recently picked up a lot of these oatmeal cookies right here, which were for sale at Sam's Club. Everything normally that we purchase, it's the same. But when we opened them up and we got into the package, what did we find? Something that is not labeled for resale. So by law, you are not allowed to sell this in your vending machines. It does not have any label on it. It does not have any nutritional facts, nothing on this food. So remember, you should be able to see on the outer packaging, right? This says individually wrapped, but it should say on the case. It will say on the case, I'm trying to look, I have one over there. It will say labeled for resale. So before you buy, you will be able to know if it's labeled for resale. Most of your drinks, the drinks that you buy are all gonna have a label. No one's gonna drink a bottle that has no labeling on it. It's just a clear liquid. No one's gonna do that. But keep in mind, if you wanna sell items through your vending machines, they need to be labeled, because you can try to sell these, but if you can get in trouble for doing that. So do not try to sell anything that is not labeled properly in the machines. Hope that helps demystify what the labeled for resale means. If you have a question about that, drop it down below. If you have purchased a product that was not that you thought was labeled, but it actually turned out it wasn't, let me know in the comments. Again, hillvending.com/start for the access to the free webinar on how to get started in vending. If you have any questions on future videos you'd like to see, let me know down below. But remember, most importantly, until next time, keep your drinks cold and your snacks fresh.